Right, this is Novotel 10 Shop iChannel. We are here at Loftus Stadium. Mamelodi Sundowns 2, Royal AM 1. My brother, how's it?
Ngwathi Mapoloba.
Fondini.
Mapoloba.
Oh, right page.
The right Mapoloba.
Good.
Some of them are here. We don't know how to deal with them.
Oh, who are those?
We're not going to mention names. Some of them are here.
Are you scared of them?
They've got no business being here, but they are here nonetheless.
Yeah.
So we still don't know how to deal with them.
Yeah.
But we've got a date with them.
Don't you have Mama to call?
We'll call Mama to give us a signal, but we've got a date with them next week at the facility. They are here today. We can see they are busy entertaining each other. Mapoloba, one thing, my team needs to learn one thing: how to manage games of consequences. All these games, the league games, are preparatory games for Sundowns. The bigger picture is the CAF Champions League. If you don't know how to close the game, you don't know how to manage the game, you don't know where and when to commit that technical foul. That goal that Sundowns conceded today, it was criminal. It was criminal. They had several opportunities to commit a foul around center line. Take one for the team, get a yellow card if it needs be, protect the team. But that is how we at Casablanca plays. You'll get a striker who commits a foul
in the center line.
In the center line or in the final third where he's supposed to score. He commits that professional foul to break the rhythm of the game. I did not see that from Sundowns.
To slow it down,
To break the rhythm, make the opponent, let them go back and restart. You don't see that from Sundowns. There's no extra touch from Sundowns. Everybody's in a hurry.
You
want to touch the ball 4 times, it gets to the opponent goals. And that is not the Sundowns, but it is what it is. We are told that is the type of football we're going to play. But what I'm saying is, if you're going to play this way in the CAF Champions League,
you are out.
It's going to be a very, very long season for us as Masanda one. But that's my only observation I made, Mapoloba. But I'm glad Mvala is back because we had issues with Shivaviro at the facility. Remember that day? Everybody jumped and claimed to be robbed, and there was no robbery, no nothing. Remember that day?
I remember. But
we had Lebusa and Gran Gekana.
Yes.
And none of them could deal with Ushivaviro. I'm glad Mvala is back, at least to deal with Ushivaviro. So let's meet at the facility, Mapoloba, next week. I'm not sure when the tickets will be available. I've been trying to check. I was told that they're only available for 30 minutes, but I will meet you there. I don't know what you want. You are here nonetheless. Some of them are here. We don't know how to deal with them.
Just call Mama. Call Mama. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. Make sure that you support the channel, you subscribe, help us to reach 10,000 subscribers. We really hope that you're gonna help us to reach the 10,000 subscribers. Thank you so much.